Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are reviewing MOZ in 2025, one of the best trusted SEO tools out there. Whether you are a beginner, a small business owner, or an SEO pro, this quick breakdown will help you decide if you still want MOZ or not. What is MOZ? MOZ is an all-in-one SEO toolkit built to boost your search engine visibility. It's been around since 2004 and in 2025 it includes AI-powered keyword suggestion, real-time tracking and site health diagnostics, making it more modern and efficient than ever. The top features of this site is Keyword Explorer, now smarter with localized data and AI keyword grouping. The second one is Site Crawl, detects SEO issues and offer step-by-step fixes. The third one is Link Explorer, tracks your backlinks and domain authority. The fourth one is SERP tracking, now includes mobile and even voice search tracking. And don't forget the MOZ bar, a free Chrome extension for instant on-page SEO checks. So what's the pros of this MOZ? Super beginner friendly interface, trusted domain authority metric, solid free tools like MOZ bar and Keyword Explorer Lite. Helpful community and in-app tutorials make learning SEO easier. So it also have some cons. Pricing starts at $19.90 per month. Not cheap for beginners. Backlink data is less detailed compared to Ahrefs or SEMrush. No built-in PPC data if you also run ads. So is MOZ worth it in 2025? Yes, if you are focused on organic SEO, want clear insights, and love a clean dashboard, but if you are managing a large agency or need more advanced backlink tracking or ad data, you might compare it with Ahrefs or SEMrush. If this helped you, hit like, subscribe, and let me know what SEO tools you are using below. Thanks for watching.